Good morning, everyone. I'm Catherine Ross with TheStreet. I'm here at the NYSE with Jim Cramer. Jim, how are the markets looking to you?
All right, well, look, today should be an up day because we're -5 on the oscillator, and that's a proprietary oscillator that I follow from S&P. And there have been 3 other times that we have been down -5, and all 3 produced a very big bounce. And that's what you're seeing today, and that's typical. It's also, unfortunately, undesirable because it's on nothing. Hope, as my colleague Bob Pisani talked about, that Wednesday Jay Powell will say something good, but when you get strong Cyber Monday on top of a strong Black Friday, I think he says, listen, I have no choice. I have to tighten, so let's be careful. If he says one and wait, the rally can continue. And then there's a belief that United Technologies being improved to be able to buy Rockwell Collins by the Chinese. I have this all in my RealMoney piece if people want to follow up. Gives people a chance to think that the Chinese is throwing an olive branch. All these things are possible. They can all produce a rally. But most importantly, we're oversold. So you let it rally. What we're doing with action alerts is looking things to sell, not to buy. But it's too early because the bounces off of -5 have lasted for more than one day and tend to make you wish that you had bought up 300 but actually had to buy last week. And I just think that let it run and then we're going to take some profits. That's my plan.
Adobe Analytics said that over $6.2 billion was spent online on Black Friday. Is that surprising?
No, I think that what's happened is a lot of it's direct to consumer, which we know is the most profitable. A lot of the companies that we follow have successfully built out their own online. They're no longer just relying on Amazon. Brick and mortar was down a little bit, so Adobe's numbers, by the way, have proven very true. So this is just that acceleration. One of the reasons why we have been in favor of Amazon is because of this. It's a position of ours. But Catherine, here's the problem. It's bear market behavior. And so I think Amazon can easily rally 150 to 200 points. But at that point, we're going to have to figure out whether we should take profits. And that's painful because I do like Amazon, and we did sell some higher. But you'll see that that's going to happen because the analysts will wait and then they'll downgrade. See, the analysts are itching to downgrade everything because they feel like that they missed the opportunity to get out. We have almost 9-to-1 up volume. That's as bad as 9-to-1 down volume when I said you had to buy. So let it run a little, read the RealMoney piece. We have a rally that's based on hope. I wish it were based on fact.
In our Ask Jim segment today, Robert is wondering if he should hold or sell Boeing.
I think Boeing can go up. I mean, one of the things that happened when you do the Rockwell Collins deal, you start thinking, well, maybe the Chinese won't be so punitive, so you hold it for the rest of the week, maybe trim some on Thursday. I went over what's going on with Boeing and this unfortunate crash, and I feel very emboldened to say, don't sell Boeing on that. That's wrong. If I want you to buy Boeing, I'd rather have you buy United Technologies because they're going to split up. And United Technologies still buy. I also mentioned Paychex to buy because these are transformational situations. If you have a situation that has a catalyst, and we'll talk about one in our Action Alert video, then you can hold it and you don't need to sell it into this rally. If you have no catalyst and the stock went down because people are just willing to pay less for it than they used to, that's what we're going to have to watch later in the week to sell. Now remember, you shouldn't sell a thing today because this is day 1 of the bounce. Day 1 of the bounce has not produced good sales. Day 2, some, and day 3, yes.
The last thing I want to ask you is, what are you looking for towards the end of the week?
Toward the end of the week, I think we're going to get people who believe that the G20 is going to be good. There'll be people then who will. I think Powell will be ambiguous enough that some people can hold on. Toward the end of the week, I think it's rally week, and what will happen is after the rally, in a bear market, for many stocks like you're in, you get a couple-day rally, and you don't get, and then you get a reversal intraday. And it's painful because the reversal will be difficult to sell into. But that's what you may have to do unless you scale beginning Wednesday.
All right, Jim,
I don't want people to get hurt. We bought a lot last week for action alerts, a lot, betting that we'd have a nice bounce because of how oversold we are. We don't have enough cash, so we have to use this rally to trim. We have no choice. We bought that much.
All right, Jim, I'm looking forward to discussing Salesforce's earnings with
Sure.
you. on our Action Alerts Plus video, which will be filmed right after
But
this.
I do want to make a point that we put money to work last week at a level that we haven't in a long time because we knew it had gotten oversold. Catherine, I don't like how low our cash position is, okay?
All right, thank you so much for all that insight, Jim. And thank you guys for joining us. I'm Catherine Ross with TheStreet. I'll see you guys tomorrow.